Okay, my name is Sean Logue. This is my Jing for week 4 of the Object-Oriented Programming Hybrid class for summer 2018 at Manchester Community College. This week we were supposed to do something a little different. It says, this class I want you to solve this problem if your flash drive contains your program, and since the drive letter can vary depending on what is in the computer you are using it in, write a program that will find the drive you are on and automatically adjust the drive letter. So no matter what drive you're on, the program runs, all the files get addressed correctly, and you can keep banging. This can be done in most any language I can think of. See if you can do it in a class that will let you use it for multiple programs without changing anything. So I had a lot of trouble with this, and that's why I emailed you about it. I still wasn't able to fully do it. Honestly, I do not possess the knowledge needed to do so. I was able to do a few things using code that I found online. So let's see, this entire bit of code here is all code that I found. I forget which website it was on, but the author is here and everything. And what this basically does is it prints out a bunch of drives from something like A to N, and it says whether they exist or not, and then at the end it says the following drives exist. So if your computer has those drives, it'll show them. Then this bit of code I found from Stack Overflow, this will find the path of a certain file, and it will tell you where it is. The problem that I had with this in getting further is that I wasn't entirely sure what I had to do. I wasn't sure if I was supposed to change the address of the code that we have. Like, for instance, if it's on a flash drive, were we supposed to change the address of the flash drive from whatever it's randomly named on, my computer, to whatever it's named on the other computer? And if so, I'm not really sure how to change the name of the file. That's something that I don't remember ever doing, and I couldn't really find how to do, and I wasn't really sure if that's even what we're supposed to be doing, because I don't know if that would fix things, because if I change the name of the file, then I think it would just not be able to find it. So I wasn't sure if I had to be able to somehow save another copy. I guess I'm just not knowledgeable enough about the topic to do it. I wasn't sure where to start, and whenever I looked up instructions, they were very vague. I feel like a lot of computer language help forums and such are really keen on using their words and not really speaking in plain English, and it makes it very difficult for me to figure anything out that I don't already have a clue on or know. But anyway, I guess I'll show you that the code I have runs. Like I said, I didn't write all this myself. This, like I said, is the code before. It shows which drives exist on here. The following drives exist, C, and then the second bit of code says that the file, the encrypt file text, which is what I translated or encrypted in last week, but technically this week's work, it shows where that is. So I see it's on C, users, object-oriented programming, weeks 3 and 4. So that's what I have this week. I know it's not really enough, but it's all I could honestly do, especially with the time that I have. I couldn't get any more done. Sorry. Anyway, thank you very much for listening to me. Have a nice week.